Hey everyone! Finally, the much-awaited One UI 8.5 update has landed on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung promised a smoother, smarter, and more personalized experience, and after testing it out, I can confirm it's a game changer. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 new features that you need to know about right now. Let's dive in. Number 1 feature, the new Quick Panel design. First up is the completely overhauled Quick Panel. It's no longer just functional, it's highly customizable. You can now resize tiles, move them around freely, and adjust the brightness and volume sliders to fit your aesthetic. It feels much more fluid. And the coolest part? After the One UI 8.5 update, you can even add your own photos to every section of the notification panel for a fully personalized look. So now, let me show you exactly how to customize it step by step. First, open GoodLock app. It is available Google Play Store or Samsung App Store. Simply install it and open it. After open GoodLock app, then scroll down and find QuickStar, then open it. Then turn on First, then tap on Edit Panel Style. Now from here, you can actually add your own photos inside every single section of the Quick Panel. To do this, simply tap any section, select your image, upload the photo you want, and then hit Apply. And just like that, your entire notification panel gets a completely custom look. And if you get confused at any step or have any problems while customizing it, just let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out as quickly as possible. Number 2 feature, Liquid Glass interface. Samsung has introduced the Liquid Glass design language. Notice how the menus and pop-ups have that soft, blurred, transparent look? It makes the UI feel light, modern, and incredibly responsive. The animations are buttery smooth. And yes, you can even turn your icons into a liquid glass style design. So let me show you exactly how to create this amazing setup on your Samsung Galaxy phone. First, open GoodLock apps, then tap on Theme Park app. Then tap on Icon option. Then tap on Effect option. Then here tap on Glass Effect. Now you can fully customize the glass effect however you want. Once you're done customizing everything, simply tap on the download option and type icon pack name, then save. Then select icon pack and apply it. Number 3, feature Smarter Bixby LLM integration. Bixby just got a massive brain upgrade. With large language model LLM integration, you don't need to memorize specific commands anymore. You can just talk to it naturally, like a conversation, and it understands exactly what you want. Number 4 feature, seamless AirDrop support. This is a big one. Samsung is finally improving cross-platform file sharing. Now with QuickShare, you can easily send photos, videos, documents, and other files directly to iPhones, iPads, and even MacBooks without complicated steps. That means no more struggling with compatibility issues or third-party apps. The transfer process is now faster, smoother, and much more seamless between Samsung Galaxy devices and Apple products. Honestly, this makes QuickShare feel way more useful for everyday users. The gap between Android and Apple is slowly disappearing, and this could become one of the best new One UI 8.5 features. Number 5 feature Advanced AI Photo and Creative Studio. Last but not least, the AI capabilities. Photo Assist is now faster and more accurate. Whether you're removing complex objects or using the new Creative Studio to generate custom wallpapers and stickers, the S24 Ultra feels like a professional design tool now. One UI 8.5 has definitely breathed new life into the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's more intuitive and a joy to use. If you haven't updated your device yet, go to your settings and check for it immediately. Which feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.